Hello everyone, in today's news we have a huge announcement from Robinhood, the free stock trading app that gets rid of the need for brokers and middlemen. Starting in February, you will be able to buy and sell Ethereum and Bitcoin with zero fees, unlike Coinbase's 1.5 to 4% fees, currently in the US. Robinhood Crypto will also let you track the price and news of the top 14 crypto coins, including Litecoin and Ripple. Robinhood also allows you to set alerts when prices go up and down, and even create buy and sell orders to automatically buy or sell your coins. In February, it will be available to users in California, Missouri, Montana, Massachusetts, and New Hampshire, with more states being added later. The company currently has more than 3 million users and was created as an easy way for people to trade stocks for free through their smartphones. For cryptocurrency trading, Robinhood will have no withdrawal limits and no investment minimums or maximums. It will also hold your coins offline in a system that is called cold storage to prevent hackers from stealing your coins. This will be a great addition to the already growing list of exchanges, Robinhood Crypto being one of the best because of the zero fees, which will make trading with a lower amount of money a lot more profitable and will hopefully drive prices higher and promote crypto as a more legitimate currency, with it being traded so close to the real stocks. The full current list of coins you will be able to track will be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum Classic, Zcash, Monero, Dash, Stellar, Quantum, Bitcoin Gold, Amigo, Neo, Lisk, and Dogecoin. Thank you for tuning into the first episode of Daily Crypto News.